Hi. In a little bit, we're going to go on a drive so we can get some real-time data and you guys can all figure out how to solve for the net force that's acting on my car. But before we do that, I thought it would be nice to start with a little motivational Monday. I'm going to read you a little passage on Isaac Newton that I just read in one of my physics books that sounds a little bit familiar with what we're going through right now. Isaac Newton was born on a farm in rural Lincolnshire. He might not have been destined for nothing greater than taking over the farm had it not been for a scholarly uncle and a sympathetic schoolteacher who recognized his academic potential. They secured a place for him at Cambridge University, where he began his studies in 1661. Soon after he graduated, in 1665, the university was closed due to fears of the plague, and Newton was forced to return home for an extended vacation. I guess it happens. He took his work with him, various scientific problems that had puzzled him as a student, and seized the opportunity to ponder them in depth. Although he published nothing at the time, he laid some of the groundwork for his great discoveries and experienced the famous incident of the falling apple. So from that, I want to take that we are all taking our scientific problems home with us, and hopefully going to be able to apply what we're learning in school to the real world. If Isaac Newton can do it, I expect you guys to be able to do the same. So let's go for a ride and see if we can figure out the net force acting on my car. All right, so you guys are going to be trying to figure out what the net force is acting on my car. But before we do that, there's a couple of variables that you need to know. I'm in a Nissan Rogue that has a mass of about 1,590 kilograms. I have a mass of about 65 kilograms, and my videographer has a mass of about 95 kilograms. I'm going to be on the Galilee Escape Road in a couple seconds. When I say go, you're going to start your timer. When I say stop, you can stop your timer. In that times, I'm also going to be giving you my initial and my final velocity. All right. So right now, I'm traveling with a velocity of about 25 miles an hour. In a couple seconds, I'm going to speed up. Ready? Go. And stop. All right. So when I said stop, I had reached a final velocity of about 55 miles an hour. So use that data to calculate acceleration, and from there, because you know the masses of myself, my videographer, and the car, you should be able to solve for the net force acting on this car.